Hi, everyone. Welcome to today's meditation. I'm Mary Beth Rim. This meditation helps you develop awareness of distractions, whether thoughts, emotions, or external noises, and trains you to gently return your attention to the present. By practicing this skill, you strengthen focus, improve performance, and reduce frustration when distractions arise. So the goal of this meditation is to recognize distractions without judgment. Practice letting them go and build the mental resilience needed to stay grounded and present in high-performance situations. And again, welcome to this meditation in the Performance series. And today our focus is on noticing distractions. Before we begin, I would really love it if you take a moment to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't have to miss any future guided practices designed to support your journey in focus, resilience, and performance. So take a moment to settle into a comfortable position, whether it's seated with your feet flat on the floor, lying down. Let your spine be long, your shoulders soft, and your body supported. And gently close your eyes if that feels safe. If not, then just gaze down. Take a deep breath in through the nose and slow exhale through the mouth. As you arrive here, remind yourself that distractions are not failures. They are opportunities to practice returning to focus. So if you hadn't already gently closed your eyes, please do so at this time, or just gently gaze down. Now bring your awareness to the points of contact your body makes with the ground or chair. Feel the stability beneath you, your foundation. Notice your breath without trying to change it. Just observe the natural rhythm. The inhale and the exhale. As you sit here, distractions will come. Thoughts may pull your attention. Sounds may enter your awareness. Emotions may rise. The practice today is not to eliminate distractions, but to notice them. When a thought arises, gently label it. Thinking. When a sound interrupts, simply note, hearing. When emotion surfaces, acknowledge, feeling. Then return your attention back to the breath. Imagine distractions like clouds passing across the sky. You don't need to chase them or push them away. Just notice and return to the clear space of the present moment. Now let's practice this together. For the next minute, simply follow your breath. Each time you notice a distraction, silently say to yourself, noticing, returning. How many times did your mind wander? It doesn't matter. What matters is how many times you came back. Each return strengthens your focus like a muscle being trained. As we begin to close, take a few deeper breaths. Inhale energy, exhale release. Bring this practice into your performance, whether in training, competition, or work. Each time you notice a distraction, you have a choice. Acknowledge it and return to what matters. This is the art of performance, showing up with presence despite the noise. When you're ready, gently wiggle your fingers and toes. Slowly open your eyes. Take a moment to notice how you feel. A little more aware. A little more grounded. I want to thank you for practicing with me today. If you found this meditation helpful, I invite you to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss future sessions in this performance series. I'm Mary Beth Rim. Until next time.